Hello and welcome to the course. In today's lecture, we will learn different data types available in Power BI. For this, we have to go to Edit Queries. And here you can choose any table. For example, we can select products. And here you can see data types is a small icon, ABC. What does this mean? This means ABC means text. So the data type of this column is text, and these are the data types that are available in Power BI: decimal number, fixed decimal number, whole number, and some other data types. So you can choose these data types depending on the nature of the data. For example, here we have text and we have chosen text data type, and here we have decimal number, and that's why we have chosen decimal number data type. For example, this icon is 1.2, and what does this mean? This mean is decimal number. There are two important things that you should keep in mind while selecting data types and its format. We can go to the data tab, and here we can see the data type for the list price is decimal number, as we have seen here. In the list price, if you click on the modeling tab, and we will see this the data type for the list price is decimal number, and format is also decimal number. If I change format to, for example, whole number, see this decimal points are not here anymore. You are not able to see any decimal numbers. But if I try to choose decimal number 1, 2 or 3, we can see the decimal points for this column. So if I choose anything under format, we will not lose anything. If I change this data type to whole number, and here you can see there is one message. This message is with this data type, change your data will be stored differently. This may cause loss of data or precision. So if I click yes, we will not able to keep decimal points. We will not be able to preserve decimal points. For example, if I click yes, see, now it is 40.00. So this causes data loss. If I change anything here, we will not have any effect and we will not get our data back. So what we can do is we just need to reload this table. How we can reload? You just need to click refresh and see. Now we are able to see our original data. So be careful when changing your data under modeling. So you can do whatever you want with the format, but when you will change anything under data type, it will be permanently stored in the data model. So that's all about data types. Let's meet to the next lecture.